Unlock convenient banking by opening your new Natwest account entirely online. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the seamless process of opening a Natwest bank account from the comfort of your own home, saving you time and avoiding any branch visits. All you need is a stable internet connection and a few essential documents. First things first, gather your documentation. You'll typically need a valid form of identification, like a passport or driving license, and proof of your current address, which could be a recent utility bill or bank statement. Make sure these documents are easily accessible. Head over to the official Natwest website, look for the Open an Account or Apply Now option. This will take you to the online application portal. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. You'll then begin by filling in your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, contact information, and nationality. Take your time and ensure all information is accurate to avoid any delays. Next, you'll be prompted to upload your identification and proof of address documents. Most applications allow you to take clear photos of your documents with your phone or scan them directly. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for the best results. Natwest prioritizes security. You might be asked to verify your identity through a secure process, which could involve receiving a code via text message to your registered phone number. This ensures your application is protected. Once your application is submitted and verified, you'll receive confirmation. Congratulations, you've successfully opened your Natwest account online. You can now manage your finances digitally, enjoying the convenience and security Natwest offers.